The Sony A6400 is one of the best picks for beginners, and even for serious photographers. It's a lightweight mirrorless camera that comes with a 24MP APS-C sensor. It is equipped with fast autofocus that allows easy tracking of moving subjects. There are many products available to choose from best lenses for Sony A6400, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best lens for Canon 90D from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sony A85mm f1.4 GM lens. The Sony A85mm f1.4 allows you to shoot your subject from afar. It is the best pick if you wish to shoot wildlife. When used in the Sony A6400, this lens is 127.5mm focal length equivalent. It is also perfect for macro photography. With a wide aperture, it produces superb bokeh, blurring the unnecessary in your shot. It is also moisture and dust resistant that allows you to use it in outdoor locations. The autofocus is also impressively fast and quiet. It is a top contender for the best lens for Sony A6400 if you shoot portraits, wildlife photography, or even macro photography. But due to its robust construction, it's a bit heavy. Positive side of this product: best pick for those who are looking to shoot wildlife photography. Beautiful bokeh. Perfect for long-range shots in macro photography. Number 2. Sony Cel-20 f/28e mount 20mm f2.8 prime fixed lens. The Sony Cel-20 f/28e mount 20mm f2.8 is a good pick if you are considering a good wide-angle prime lens for shooting group photos and landscapes using your Sony A6400. It is the best travel lens for Sony A6400 if you wish to shoot nature and when you take cityscapes from a high vantage point. Some wedding photographers also have this on their camera bag since it allows them to include everyone in the picture. This is perfect for large weddings, not only because of its focal length, but also because of its wide aperture. At f2.8, you can use it easily, whether in the daytime or at nighttime. For a wide-angle prime lens, this is a good investment. Positive side of this product: can be used in low-light scenarios. Perfect for shooting group photos and landscapes. Number 3. Sony 55mm f1.8 Sonnar T-Phase Off Full-Frame Prime Lens Fix. It's a good pick in case you are looking to shoot macro photography, or if you want to give your subject some space whenever you are shooting portraits. It is a favorite by many photographers because it produces beautiful bokeh, plus it produces exceptional sharpness and clarity. You can also get consistent results throughout the different apertures. It's small and compact as well, plus it is known for its fast autofocus. The biggest issue when used on different APS-C unit is the lack of stabilization on the lens. Positive side of this product: good value, sharp results. Number 4. Sony A70-200mm f4G OS interchangeable lens. The Sony 24-70mm f4 Vario Tessar T-Phase OS zoom lens is another great pick for those who are looking for a highly versatile lens that can be used in different scenarios. It does well when shooting portraits, landscapes, and even macro photography. Though it is fairly limited with its f4 aperture, it compensates with sharp images and vibrant colors. The motor is also known for its fast and accurate performance that tracks the subject with ease. It is also dust and moisture resistant, allowing you to use it with peace of mind outdoors. Positive side of this product: good range, lightweight. Number 5. Sony 24-70mm f4 interchangeable full-frame zoom lens. The Sony 24-70mm f4 Vario Tessar T-Phase OS zoom lens is another great pick for those who are looking for a highly versatile lens that can be used in different scenarios. It does well when shooting portraits, landscapes, and even macro photography. Though it is fairly limited with its f4 aperture, it compensates with sharp images and vibrant colors. The motor is also known for its fast and accurate performance that tracks the subject with ease. It is also dust and moisture resistant, allowing you to use it with peace of mind outdoors. Positive side of this product: vibrant colors and sharp results. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.